Welcome to 12_5 Tech. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to set up WireGuard VPN on your Windows PC in the easiest and most beginner-friendly way possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own secure WireGuard connection absolutely free using SSH Ocean. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Windows computer and in the search bar type WireGuard. Once the results appear, click on the official WireGuard VPN homepage. On the website, go to the installation menu and click on Download Windows Installer to start downloading the setup file. When the installer has been downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install WireGuard VPN. The installation may take a few minutes. Once installed, the app will launch automatically, and you'll see its main interface. Now, let's create a free WireGuard VPN server using SSH Ocean. Open a new browser tab and search for SSH Ocean. Click on the official website to visit its homepage. From the menu at the top, select Services, and then choose WireGuard VPN from the submenu. You'll now be redirected to a page where you can select your preferred server location from the list of countries. For this tutorial, I'll select Australia. Tap on Choose Location, and then select any server available under that region to proceed. On the next page, enter your username and password, complete the reCAPTCHA, and then tap the Create Server button. Within a few seconds, your free WireGuard server will be created successfully. Once the server is ready, you'll see its connection details displayed on the screen. You can either copy the configuration or download it directly. It's better to download the configuration file to use it easily in the WireGuard app. Now, open WireGuard VPN on your computer, tap on Import Config, and navigate to your Downloads folder. Select the WireGuard configuration file you just downloaded to import it. Once imported, the configuration will appear in the app. Now you're ready to connect. Tap the Activate button on the right side to start the VPN using your imported configuration. You'll see connection logs on the left side, and once connected successfully, a notification will appear in your taskbar showing that WireGuard is active. Next, let's learn how to set up WireGuard manually instead of using a pre-made configuration file. On the left side of the WireGuard window, click on the arrow next to Add Tunnel, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Empty Tunnel. A new window will appear. Enter a name for your configuration, paste your WireGuard details inside, and tap Save. Finally, to confirm that your VPN connection is working correctly, visit What is my IP address in your browser. You'll notice that your IP now matches the location of the server you created earlier, proving your VPN setup is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you easily set up WireGuard VPN on your Windows PC. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.